Welcome back to CAD Station, and today's tutorial we are going to make this simple object. It looks simple, but if I show you this sketch, here is this sketch. You can find it's look complicated in the sketch, but I'm going to show you how simple it's to model in the SolidWorks. So let's just start from this is the complete model. So we are going to start from the new and the part. There are many methods to make this, but I'm going to use a simple one. So first of all, I just select the new document and I'm changing the units to millimeters. I have selected the front plane sketch. Okay, one more thing. Let's exit from the sketch. I go to the reference geometry plane and select the front plane, and I want to make a plane at a distance of 0.05 mm, and okay, just created a plane at a 0.05 mm distance, and I'm going to sketch on this. So from the origin, just make two circles, select the line, and from the midpoint make just like this. Now smart dimension, this is of 1 mm dia, second one is of 2 mm dia, and from the line to the origin this distance is also 1 mm. Now escape and trim entities. I want to trim this one and this one, and okay. Now Control 7 for isometric view, and you have to zoom it because the units are too small. Features, Extrude Boss base. I'm going to extrude this up to 0.4 mm, and that's okay. After that, I'm going to hide this plane, and again going to reference geometry and plane, and I want to create a plane. Let's Control 7 for isometric view. I want to create a plane at here, and this is going to be coincident, and okay. Now you can enlarge the plane and select and sketch. Same sketch that we made for here. Again 1, 2 line, and from here to escape. Now smart dimension, outer one is going to be of 2, in this one is 1, and from origin to the line this distance is also 1 mm, and same trim entities. I want to trim these arcs. Now again smart dimension, I want to make a distance from origin to the origin, center to the center. This is going to be of 4.5 mm. Okay, let me show you here. This is 4.5 mm. So I will upload this picture so you can use the sketch. Now 4.5 mm, escape and select the origin, select the center point basically, and find the midpoint. Okay, first select the midpoint, raise the control and the center point and make the relation vertical. Now it's complete. Features, Extrude Boss base. We want to extrude, Control 7 for isometric view. Now you can see this is going to be on left hand side. I want it on the right hand side, so just make it. Now I'm going to hide the plane. This is nearly complete, but we have to make a Extrude Boss base from here to here. So we have a very good feature, but for this I'm going to sketch and simply convert entities. Now you can see this rectangle, double click to exit from the sketch. Now I'm going to select this one and sketch and simply convert entities. Now Control 7. Now you can see we have two rectangles showing here, one on 8 and one on 8. I'm going to features and Lofted Boss base. First of all, I want to make a Extrude Boss that should be Lofted Boss base. But if I just select these two rectangles, so you can see, let me show you. It's created a feature like this, but I want something like this. For this, I'm going to delete this Lofted Boss base and Control 7 for isometric view, spacebar, and just rotate it like this and select. Now I'm going to Lofted Boss base, and here I'm going to select this edge and this edge. Now you can see, and completed. Now Control 7, or you can simply press the spacebar. This one is ready. Now I am going to change its appearance to okay, and these two are going to be off. Let's select the black one and okay. Now Control S to save it, and I'm going to save it as this is going to be of part 13. Part 13. Now this one is the only one part, but here you can see there are two. For this I'm going to start an assembly drawing. You can make it in the same drawing. Let me show you. Wait a minute. We have the part 5, part 13 that we have made right now. If you want to make the another one, you can simply start sketching from this side and again make this a second sketch and then use the Lofted Boss shapes. But it's going to be little long, so I'm going to simply use the assembly drawing feature that enable us to complete this in a couple of steps. So for this, first let's turn these origins on. Assembly, insert component. I've made the part 13 and browse. Part 13 and here. Now I am going to put it on origin. Now we have linear component pattern, and here I am going to use the mirror components. And in the mirror components, you have to select the mirror plane. So here, I'm not going to select the front plane from here. I'm going to the part. And here I'm going to select the front plane. Components to mirror, I'm simply going to select whole the component. Click on this next arrow and select second option. And this is done. Okay. Now you can turn these origins off, and let me show you. This is your one of the origin, plane. This face, you can see there is 2 mm gap. These holes, and here is. Now if you want to look on this face, so this one is the required. So here, so this is how you can make Control 7 for isometric view, and this one. So this is how you can simply make the required sketch by using the simple sketch, and then we use the assembly drawing to mirror it like this. So I hope you understand the whole tutorial. Before completing the tutorial, I want to ask, if you are new to CAD Station, then subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, if you learn something from this video, then like the video and share to your friends. Thank you.